Imagine starting a business with hardly any funds. Sounds impossible? Not anymore. The rise of artificial intelligence is changing the game for entrepreneurs everywhere. AI tools are empowering people to build thriving businesses with minimal capital. In this video, we'll explore how you can harness AI to create your own venture. Let's begin by understanding what AI is. Artificial intelligence refers to computer systems that can perform tasks typically requiring human intelligence. This includes learning, reasoning, and problem-solving. With recent advancements, AI tools are now more accessible than ever. Now, let's look at the steps involved in becoming an AI entrepreneur. First, identify a business idea. Think of something you're passionate about. Next, research your target market. Understanding your audience is key to success. Then, explore available AI tools. There are numerous platforms designed to help new entrepreneurs. Once you've selected tools, it's time to develop your product or service. AI can help automate tasks, making your venture more efficient. After that, create a marketing strategy. Use AI analytics to refine your messaging. Finally, launch your business and monitor its progress. Adapt and improve based on feedback and performance. To simplify, let's dive deeper into AI tools. Take chatbots, for example. These AI programs can handle customer inquiries 24/7. This saves you time and money. Or consider AI-driven content creation tools. They can help generate blog posts, social media content, and more, allowing for consistent engagement without draining resources. Here's a relatable example. Meet Sarah, an aspiring entrepreneur. She launched an online tutoring business using AI platforms. With AI chatbots, she managed student inquiries efficiently. Her marketing strategy relied on AI analytics to target students. Sarah minimized costs while maximizing outreach. Today, her business is thriving. In summary, the rise of AI tools fosters new entrepreneurial opportunities. You can start a business without significant capital. Identify a passion, research, and explore AI technologies. Develop your service, market it effectively, and watch your venture grow. Ready to jumpstart your entrepreneurial journey? Explore AI tools today. Dive into research and start building your dream business. Don't forget to subscribe for more insights and tips.